A for apple, apple means सेब. B for ball, ball means गेंद. C for cat, cat means बिल्ली. D for dog, dog means कुत्ता. E for elephant, elephant means हाथी. F for fish, fish means मछली. G for grapes, grapes means अंगूर. H for horse, horse means घोड़ा. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. J for jug, jug means jug. K for kite, kite means padang. L for lion, lion means शेर. M for mango, mango means आम. N for nest, nest means घर. O for owl, owl means उल्लू. P for parrot, parrot means तोता. Q for queen, queen means रानी. R for rainbow, rainbow means इंद्रधनुष. S for sun, sun means सूरज. T for tree, tree means पेड़. U for umbrella, umbrella means छाता. V for violin, violin means violin. W for watch, watch means घड़ी. X for xylophone, xylophone means xylophone. Y for yo-yo, yo-yo means yo-yo. Z for zoo, zoo means चिड़ियाघर.